Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our Shopify tutorials, e-commerce tips, and business growth hacks. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the delivery logistics platform into your Shopify store. This process will simplify your shipping and logistics operations, ultimately enhancing your store's efficiency. Now, if you've ever struggled with managing deliveries, tracking shipments, or syncing your logistics with customer orders, this video will walk you through everything step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the homepage of your Shopify admin. This is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your online store, from products and orders to themes and analytics. From here, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the interface where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking this will open up a new menu that lists various configuration options through your store. The settings area is crucial, as it allows you to control every facet of your store's environment, ranging from general information to specific sales channels. Once you're in the settings menu, locate the Apps and Sales Channel section. This is where you can manage all of your installed applications and sales integrations. Clicking this link will take you to a page that displays all current apps connected to your Shopify store. It's important to note that apps are key to enhancing your store's capabilities, enabling you to integrate third-party services that are vital for operations like logistics, marketing, analytics, and customer support. On this page, to access new apps, click on Shopify App Store. Doing so redirects you to Shopify's vast marketplace of applications. The Shopify App Store is truly a goldmine of tools tailored to help you run a more efficient and powerful online business. Here, you can find plugins and services for everything, from improving your store's SEO and automating marketing to managing complex logistics solutions that save time and reduce human error. Next, in the search bar, type Delhivery. By typing accurately, you'll quickly find the Delhivery app among the list of suggestions. This step is crucial, as the search bar is your shortcut to discovering the exact tools you need without having to browse through thousands of apps aimlessly. Upon locating the Delhivery logistics platform, click on it. This app is specifically designed to streamline logistics processes by integrating directly with your store's backend, bringing all your shipping needs under one roof. The app page provides you with detailed information about the service's features, pricing, and user reviews. Make sure to scan through this information carefully so you know exactly what you're getting, and verify that it matches your shipping region and business needs. Afterward, click on Install. This action initiates the installation process, and you may be prompted to grant necessary permissions. Don't worry, these are standard requests allowing the app to function correctly within your SLS framework. For example, permissions might include access to your orders, fulfillment data, and customer addresses, all of which are essential for Delhivery to process shipments accurately. Once the installation is complete, it's time to go back to Shopify to enable the app. Enabling it is as simple as returning to the Apps and Sales Channels section of your settings, where you should now see Delhivery listed among your plugins. From here, you can open the app settings to configure things like pickup locations, preferred courier services, real-time shipping rates, automatic tracking updates for customers. These options let you tailor the app to suit your store's workflow and delivery goals. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Delhivery as your logistics partner, improving your delivery operations and customer satisfaction in the process. Be sure to explore the app's settings to tailor its features to your specific needs, whether that's express shipping, code e-handling, or automatic dispatch syncing. After setup, try placing a test order to make sure your logistics integration is working smoothly. This helps confirm that order details flow correctly from Shopify to Delhivery before going live with real customers. Integrating logistics tools like Delhivery can save you hours of manual work, reduce shipping errors, and create a seamless post-purchase experience for your customers, all of which help build trust and boost repeat sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling! If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below letting me know what other Shopify integrations you'd like to learn about next. See you in the next video, and keep building your e-commerce success.